All right, hello everybody. Today I wanted to go through the steps and show you how to withdraw your Cointempli earnings, your Bitcoin earnings, from to your wallet, your private wallet. So what you do, I'm on the home screen here, so you go over here to the right to your account settings and all this kind of stuff. This drop down menu that says withdraw. Click on that. And then we get to the screen and it tells us some important information here. It tells us our coin balance. In my case, currently I have 413,671 coins. That's equal to $41.36 US dollars. And in Bitcoin, that would be 0.00216,996 in Bitcoin. It gives us four choices here. Withdrawing to your Bitcoin wallet, your Dogecoin, Dash, or Litecoin. I'm going to go to my Bitcoin wallet. Just as a small piece of information here, it also shows interest earned. I have 3,275 coins that I've earned in interest. And over here to the right, it explains it all. If you keep a balance of 35,000 coins or more, you will earn 5% annual interest to your coin balance. And they pay that out weekly. Okay, well, let's go to withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet. Let's click on that and see what it says. Okay, it's got a space here for my Bitcoin wallet address. And then the amount of coins that you want to withdraw. Little pieces of information here. It says, don't have a Bitcoin wallet, get one here. You can do that. I've got an exchange that I'm going to send my Bitcoin to, and it's called Bittrex.com. It's based out of Liechtenstein in Europe, very crypto-friendly country. Very stable website. Never had any problems with it. Never heard of any problems with it. They have an American version for all of us in the USA that complies with our laws and things like that. And I believe it's based out of Seattle. Okay. The other piece of information here, it says minimum of 50,000 coins. So I've got 413,000. Let's try 100,000 coins. Let's go ahead and type that in. Whoops. I don't want to delete the whole amount there. Okay. 100,123. All right. That should be 100,000. Yes, 100,000 coins. Bitcoin wallet address. Okay. Let's go to my exchange here. I'm going to go to my holdings. And here in my balances, these is just this is what I've earned in different cryptocurrencies, almost all of it by mining, by the use of miners such as Unminable and Nice Dash and some other ones, or Nice Hash. I'm sorry, Nice Hash. What I need is my wallet address. So here's Bitcoin. I've got a tiny amount of Bitcoin in here. Let's see, current value is $23. So just a small amount that I have mined and sent to this wallet. So what I'm going to do is come over here to the actions column and it says deposit or withdraw. So I'll click on deposit and a little pop-up comes up and it says Bitcoin important deposit instructions. Deposits may take up to 0 hours to be credited to your account if not sent from a regulated virtual asset service provider. And then learn more about that, and it's got a link to travel rule regulations here. Okay, all deposits are governed by our terms of service. Here's the wallet address, and it's got a convenient link here, copy paste link. So it's now copied to clipboard. I'm done with that, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to go back to Cointempli here. And I'm going to click here. Whoops. And I'm going to go Control V. There we go. And that should be my complete Bitcoin wallet address there. And then let's hit withdraw and see what happens. Okay, confirm your withdrawal request. Are you sure you want to withdraw 100,000 coins from your account? Please double check your withdrawal address before confirming. Let's do that then. Let's go over here to Bitcoin, and it started out 15HKK, ends with an MC5. 15HKK MC5. Yep. Warning, you will not receive interest if your balance falls below 35,000 coins. That's all right. I'm not worried about it. And then you have to enter your password to confirm. That should be the correct one. And let's hit yes, withdraw now. Get rid of that saved password. Okay, your withdrawal has been submitted, but you must approve it via email. Please check your email. Okay, let's do that. Let's go open up a new tab. Get over here to email. And it says contemplate action required. Confirm your withdrawal request. New payment request. This is an automated notice to inform you that a withdrawal request has been made on your account. Your account security is our top priority, so you must approve this payment by clicking the button below. Approve this payment. Okay, approve your payment verification code. Blah, blah, blah. Approve my... Okay, only submit this form if you'd like to approve this payment. If you did not make a payment request and you suspect your account has been compromised, do not submit for. Okay, approve my payment. Let's click on it. All right, your payment has now been approved. Thank you. Okay. So let's not close that yet. Let's take this one and close it. Let's go over here and let's check on deposits. And it says you have no pending deposits yet. So obviously it's got to go through some administrative stuff on their site before it'll show up. So what I'm going to do is pause this recording, and then when it does show me something where it's shows up in the pending deposits area here, then I'll restart and let you know how long that took. Okay, folks, it's been about 2 days, and I just wanted to show you now as an update. I'm going to holdings, I'm going to deposits, and there's no pending deposits because it has already been deposited into my account. It took about a day and a half, actually. It was like 1 in the morning or so, a day and a half later, since the first part of the video. And I got the notification that the Bitcoin had been deposited. So, of course, I checked it, and it had. So what I wanted to show you was, the time and date doesn't matter so much, that the Bitcoin and the quantity 0.00049515 was deposited. And I just know it from beforehand. I checked my balance here, and it has gone up. So let's go over to the Contemplate site. Go up here to in the middle here to activity and payments, and then you can go down over here on the little drop down menu to payment history. And we'll check it out, and it says payment sent, and it shows the amount 0.00049515 Bitcoin. So it matches up, and that was equal to 100,000 coins when we did it. So that was 3 days ago, and like I said, it took about a day and a half for it to actually go through. But remember, that was a warning that they gave us that it could take, approximately 2 days or so. So this is good news. This proves that this faucet site, Cointemply, is not a scam. You really are earning money. You really can withdraw money and put it into your own account. Um, so this is really good news. Uh, and because I don't have to worry about Cointemply anymore, I will continue to do activities on the website. And let me just knock this out to 100. And you can see I've been very busy. This is just yesterday and today. Clicking on some PTC ads and doing the faucet, rolling the faucet, and just doing some other things, watching some videos, playing some games, and earning some money. And so basically, I'm going to say 20 to 30 minutes a day now. Just made it part of my regular routine. And I'm earning a little over $1 a day. And so you think, well, that's not really worth it. No, it actually is, because remember, at least for me personally, my end goal is not so much what the Bitcoin is worth today. It's what Bitcoin will be worth years from now. Bitcoin is the future. Bitcoin may not be the exact coin 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, but it is the leader. It is what we compare all other cryptocurrencies to. In my mind, there are other cryptocurrencies that are far superior, but the facts are, the reality is nobody's using them except for Ethereum. Nobody's using them to the degree that people are using Bitcoin. It is what people know. It's what's being accepted. There are ATMs all over the planet now that you can deal in Bitcoin. And so I want the coins themselves. That's my goal to earning this. And so you can see from my holdings just on Bittrex.com, this exchange that I use as a temporary wallet, that I've got a little under $35 worth of Bitcoin on here. But remember, this is Bitcoin that I've earned or mined and sent to this wallet. So it's just a tiny amount. I've actually got a lot more in hard wallets, but I've been mining cryptocurrency for over 2 years now. But like I said, the end goal is not what it's worth now, it's what it will be worth later. So again, I'm earning a little over $1 a day. You know, it's all subjective. There's nothing written in stone, but that dollar's worth today in 10 years might be $100 or $1,500 or $15,000. We don't know what the future holds. You know, it's all an educated guess. But for me personally, I think this is a great option for people that don't want to get into mining, yet don't have the spare cash to constantly buy cryptocurrency. This is a nice alternative that you can do. Spend a few minutes a day, earn a little bit of Bitcoin, and just preparing yourself for the future. You know. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this helps someone. And again, this is great news. We've proven that Cointemply is not a scam. It actually works. You can make money doing it, and makes me happy. I've invested a couple of months now, in this website, and lots of time making videos and trying to help other people. So this is really good news. Thank you for watching.